Creating a persona. Personas are used to understand the goals and frustrations as well as the personal background of your potential customers, so that you can make sure to build your product or service around those needs. User personas represent a group of real, living and breathing people who will engage with your product. While individuals featured on a persona are technically hypothetical, the information you use to make the persona should be based on facts, insights, and research. You are now asked to think about a persona who represents a common user of your product or service. You may have several personas, each representing a different group of typical users. Take a piece of paper and draw at least one persona. Let's go over it together using the following example. Your persona needs a name. This can be realistic, can be taken from an actual customer, or it can be a descriptive handle like Sally the single mum. A photo. It always helps to put a face to a name. Stock photos are fine, but avoid photos of celebrities, co-workers, or other familiar faces that may come with built-in connotations and assumptions. The idea is to create a new, original identity. Add a personal quote or motto. Just like a photo, this helps flesh out the persona to make them seem more real. Add a bio. Give a little backstory to make the person relatable. What was their childhood like? Did they choose their current job? How do they spend their free time? These tiny details could influence strategic choices down the road. Some demographics: age, sex, income, location. Whatever attributes are relevant to your industry. Job title is particularly important, considering its business and financial implications. What are your persona's personality traits? People with low attention spans want faster site designs. Cautious people are most likely to comparison shop. Personality traits are one of the most useful features of personas, so choose these with care. Like personality traits, thinking about customers' motivations to use or buy your product will help you understand how they think. For example, would a customer be more likely to buy a product that improves their career or their personal life? It depends on which motivates them more. What goals and frustrations does your persona encounter in life? The scope of these is in direct relation to your needs. A lifestyle company would keep to general life and career goals, while a tech company could hone in on more specific goals, like tasks they hope to accomplish with their software. You can tell a lot about a person based on which brands they like, and what kind of people influence their decisions. You can also look at those brands' marketing strategies to see if their tactics might apply to you as well. Personas are used to identify needs and problems of users that represent your customer groups and give a face to that group. From now on, you could ask during discussions about new product features, "What would Anna think about this?" Or, "Keep in mind that Anna likes travel more." Making a persona should be done in half an hour or less. Now it's your turn to create a persona who represents a common user of your product or service. Take a piece of paper and come up with at least one persona.